Hey all, get ready with me for bed. I've been saying y'all a lot for the past year, and I've never went to Texas in my life, okay? Like never in my whole 10 years of life I've ever been to Texas. That's probably a lie. I probably was just a baby. Girl, I'm a big back that have grown man burps, chat. My dad tells me that every day. I love good recipe babies. I just burped so loudly. It was actually disgusting. Like, girl, what? I forgot. I put hyaluronic acid before serum, and I'm not supposed to do that, so whatever. I put a lot of toner in this area because this is where my pores are, and I got some big pores. The best nighttime moisturizer combo has arrived. I don't know how to feel about the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic. It's good.